My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the online scam related to the website Promocollection2.click. Promocollection2.click is a new malicious website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer. Some people may be scared with this faulty information displayed by Promocollection2.click, and then they may start clicking on some buttons like this button called Stay Protected. If you do that, you will then be redirected to some other dangerous sites that may promote a totally different software. So obviously there is something really misleading about all these pop-ups, which are absolutely faulty and deceptive. So don't interact with them, don't click on any buttons, because as I said, they promote some other potentially unwanted applications. In fact, these pop-ups in your browser may be the trace of some adware currently enabled in your computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is check your available applications and remove any items which might be suspicious. Finally, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly remain on your computer. Please get Combo Cleaner antivirus on this official resource, combocleaner.com, using this green download button. Install the program. This is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. Click on Start Combo Scan button. Well, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial and essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. The trial version of Combo Cleaner is provided with certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. So even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your computer. Then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration, of course, may take some time. It may depend on how many threads are on your computer. It may also depend on how powerful your Mac computer is, and of course it may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned by Combo Cleaner at the same time. But as I said, in spite of the fact that Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, even the trial version will help you to detect and delete any other hidden malware which could possibly remain on your system. At the end of the scan, you'll see the information about all the threads which were detected on your Mac computer. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers, as clear from the official website. But the site combocleaner.com will automatically detect your operating system and will offer you the version which is applicable for your operating system. So the scanning report will give you the information about threads, about their locations on the system. Even though some threads can always be deleted manually, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac always free of any other malware.